actually when I come into IndyShow, the very first thing I do is make sure that if I'm not using a key for something, I change it to black key instead of black. Which is also part of my sweep press. Is I go in, sweep press, source fetch, go down here to where black is. So the problem with the default is that both actual black and black key default to saying the exact same thing on the key side. They both say big B and then LK and a space. And that's what black and black key say.
Yeah.
So you can't tell the difference. So I immediately go in here, lowercase or uppercase black for the actual black, lowercase BLK for keys. And that's just my
Interesting.
That's what I always use for stuff is if it's a fill key, I use uppercase for the fill, key, lowercase. And I do that for fonts, so font 1 is font 1 uppercase, then the key side of it is font 1 lowercase. Just helps me to look immediately and be like, oh, that's the key side. Whoops. Yeah, it makes it really. All right, so key 1, black. Key 2, black. Okay, so now I've got this started where, let's say I've got bars. So I've got bars up here. I turn on any of these keys that say black. It's black key, so it doesn't actually do anything. That's where I always want to
Instead of
start
just
for
black,
everything. You never want to just leave a key sitting there that says black,
Right.
because you can accidentally hit that, and then your show is
Fade to black.
Not great.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm going to, for our purposes, put background 1, and I'm going to actually make background 1 something. So ME maths background. Oh, background 2, of course. And I just need to take background 2 and put it on here. So background 1, background 2. Background 2. Alright, so we have a background 2. I'm going to change the color of it though, because I want that to be, I like it to be something obnoxious that I can see underneath whatever I'm doing. So that's going to be hard to miss.
Nice.
Alright. So let's say we're going to do a 2-box. Unfortunately, we don't actually have an image store that I can use. But what I would do is I always put image store on my very last key, because as a old on an old K-frame or old Cayenne, key 5 and 6 you can't use DPMs on. So I'd rather go ahead and throw the image store on that because I know I don't need to DPM that. It's already there. It's where it needs to be. So I would make key 6 be image store, whatever. According to my normal build, it'd be image store 5. And I'd go ahead and change my key priority over here. I turned off my double tap. That's unfortunate. Priority, give me 1. Key 6, top. Key 6, top.
Cool.
So now that's on top of everything. That isn't always how you need to do it, but that's pretty much where you start.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to make key 1 bars. Bars, and I'm going to make key 2 test. All right, so now we have bars, we have test.
Cool.
Which means I'm going to actually change my mat to be something. Let's make it green instead. Yeah, there we go. That will not get confused with that.
Nice.
Alright, so now